Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing how I paint straight hair in IbisPaint X, and in my subsequent videos I'm going to be showing how I paint curly hair in IbisPaint X. So first of all, you open the app IbisPaint X and you select the drawing you want to do. Let it load. Alright, this is how it looks when you open IbisPaint X, and this is the reference box. Let me show you how to open it. So just do this and that, and you add whatever picture you want to add, clicking on those three dots up there. So add the picture as your reference. You add the layer above the base layer of the hair and clip it to the base layer, and then the brush I use, although you can see that these brushes are locked, you can easily unlock all of them by watching an ad or just clicking on use for free, so far as you're connected to a Wi-Fi or internet connection. So the brush I use is called round brush. Select a lighter color, and I try as much as possible to follow the direction of the hair as much as I can. Wrong brush. As I said, the brush is called round brush. I try as much as possible to just follow the direction of the hair as the spirit leads, kind of, yeah. But like as you can see from the picture, just try as much as possible to follow the direction of the hair for the whole area. Let me fasten this up a bit so I don't take much time. Follow the direction also for the other side of the hair. Then next, add another layer to that and also clip it, and select a lighter color and go over it all over again with the same brush. Too light, reduce the opacity just a little bit lighter. Go all over it again the same way you already did. And if you haven't watched the video where you got to this stage, I'm going to add a link to the video in the comments, so feel free to check that out. That's how I made the outline and how I got the base layer of the hair. And I'm going to leave a link to that in the comments or probably in the description of the video, so do well to check that out. Then next, I'm going to add some shadows to the drawing. I prefer to add it above the base layer for the top of the hair. That's like the, what do you call it, the roots, yes. And then another layer on top for the shadows on the hair. Just try to shade in the shadow as you can see in the picture, so it can look a little bit realistic. So I add another layer to that for more details, and I use the round brush set directly above the last brush I used. This has more details than the last brush and it gives the illusion of strands. So I use this brush to go over it all over again for more details. You can choose to do this process twice with an even lighter color for more details if you like. It's all up to you.
I can't take it.
So that is how I paint hair in IbisPaint X. So next I'm going to show you how I paint hair with my finger, just in case you do not have an Apple pencil. So you can also use your finger, and I'm going to try using red, a different color. So I'm just going to go over it to my finger the same way I use the Apple pencil, just to show you an idea that like you can also use your finger to do this. So I don't think I need a voiceover for this part. I'm just going to do the same thing I did, but basically with my finger. I'm going to try to speed it up a bit so the video doesn't last too long.
You've been on my mind. I could touch the sky. Starlights, I'll be running up and down, trying to think about you all the time. I don't really need to apologize. I know that you like it. I'll be staying outside, yeah, so I don't think about life, yeah. Can you tell me a lie? 'Cause I can't take it, I can't take it. You got me feeling alright, yeah. Every day by your side, yeah. Can you tell me a lie? 'Cause I can't take it, I can't take it. You've been on my mind. I could touch the sky. Starlights, I'll be running up and down, trying to think about you all the time. I don't really need to apologize. I know that you like it. I'll be staying outside, yeah, so I don't
Thank you for watching, and if you're still here, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell for notification so you get the next video when I make the video of the curly hair. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.